In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guy with Google Docs. By the end, you'll know how to install a QR code generator add-on and place a QR code right into your document, ready to share or print. Start by opening the Google Doc where you want the QR code to appear. At the top, click Add-ons in the menu bar, then choose Get Add-ons. Depending on your account, this menu might appear as extensions. Either way, you're opening the Google Workspace Marketplace to install a tool. In the Marketplace search bar, type QR code generator. You'll see options appear. Click the listing for QR code generator to open its details page. Take a quick look at the description and reviews if you'd like. Then click install. Google will ask for permission to connect the add-on to your account. Review the requested access, select your account, and confirm. When the installation finishes, click Done to close the installer. Return to your document. At the top, click Extensions. Hover over QR code barcode generator, then select QR code generator. This opens the add-on panel on the right side of your document so you can create your code without leaving the page. In the field labeled QR code content, add the information you want your QR code to hold. This could be a website URL, plain text, a short message, or other scannable content. Keep it concise and accurate. Shorter content generally produces cleaner, more reliable scans. If you're using a URL, make sure it's the final link you want people to visit. A quick tip: avoid trailing spaces or special characters you don't need as they can affect the code. Once your content is ready, generate the code, then click the option to copy to clipboard in the add-on panel. That puts the QR image into your clipboard so you can place it exactly where you want. Click back into your document and paste the QR code. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On macOS, press Command+V. The image will appear at your cursor. You can resize it by dragging the corners to keep it crisp, and use the image options in Docs to adjust text wrapping so it sits neatly next to your content or in a header or footer. If this QR code will be printed, make it large enough to scan easily. If it's for a digital document, test it by scanning from your screen. That's it. Your QR code is in the document and ready to use. You're done.